Long ago, in a peaceful coastal town, the king wanted to teach his people a powerful lesson about action, responsibility, and courage. One morning, he instructed his workers to leave a damaged wooden footbridge unrepaired, just for a day, so he could observe how people reacted when faced with an obstacle. Throughout the morning, townspeople arrived at the broken bridge. Some complained loudly, some blamed the king, some turned back in annoyance, others simply walked away without lifting a finger. Not a single person tried to fix the bridge. Then along came Caleb, a young man carrying a basket of supplies he needed to deliver to his mother. When he reached the damaged bridge, he stopped. Crossing it seemed dangerous. Turning back meant delaying an important task. But Caleb wasn't the kind of person who ran from a challenge. He looked around. There were loose planks, broken branches, and pieces of wood nearby. They weren't perfect, but they were enough. Caleb set down his basket and began to work. He dragged the planks closer, laid them across the gap, reinforced the structure with branches, and used stones to tighten weak spots. Slowly, steadily, he rebuilt a workable path. After several minutes of effort, he strengthened the bridge enough to cross safely. As he picked up his basket again, a voice came from behind a tree. "Impressive work, young man." Caleb turned and saw the king step forward. "I've been watching since morning," the king said. "Everyone else complained or walked away. You were the only one who tried to solve the problem in front of you." He handed Caleb a small wooden box. Inside was a purse filled with money and a note that read, "For the one who chose action over excuses." Caleb was stunned. The king smiled and added, "Life will always put obstacles in your way. Some will complain, some will walk around them, but those with courage, determination, and a willingness to take action will face the challenge head-on, push through difficulties, and create opportunities where others see only barriers. The reward always goes to those who face them with courage." Caleb walked home that day not just with a reward, but with a lesson that would guide him for the rest of his life. So, friend, remember, every challenge you encounter is more than a problem. It's a chance to grow, to rise, and to claim the reward waiting on the other side. Obstacles aren't roadblocks, they're stepping stones. If this story inspired you, hit the subscribe button to get more motivational stories about life, growth, and breakthrough.